Hello everyone, it is Anthony Nathaniel here again, and today in this special video I'll be talking about a basic introduction into engineering drawing, and subsequently after this video I'll be releasing sets of videos on engineering drawing, technical drawing and courses to guide you through your journey through knowing engineering drawing. So today we'll be doing, in this introductory video, we'll be talking about the instruments that you need before you begin to draw. So what are those things you need to have with you before you begin to draw? Now the first thing you need you need if you want to draw is your drawing board. So right here below me, you cannot see it, but there's a drawing board here below me and it's on a table. Now this drawing board is the average size that you need to draw. So these drawing boards are useful. Let me make it visible. So you need a drawing board first. So before you can draw in technical drawing or engineering drawing, you first need to have anything like this. So that is what you put your paper on, and to make it the flat surface that makes it easy for you to draw. You can see that this one I have here, it even has my name on it. I used this in secondary school, and it has both sides white, so you can use either side to draw. I use it in my WAEC examination and in GCE when I was writing those examinations. So if you wish to know technical drawing and you wish to further your knowledge of technical drawing, it's best you have a drawing board. Though you could use any flat surface, but drawing board is best. Now moving on, the next material you will need for your drawing is your mini drawers, and that is specifically for engineering drawing. So if you want to further your knowledge of technical drawing and you want to go into engineering drawing, mostly in college or university, so it's mostly better for you to get a mini drawter, because a mini drawter is an instrument that can help you to perform the task of a T-square. It's perform the task of set squares. It's perform the task of scales. It's perform the task of different other instruments. So a mini drawter is a multi-purpose instrument. Then next we have instrument box. An instrument box is basically a container that contains your calipers, your set squares, and so on and so forth. And in Nigeria here, we call that a math set or a mathematical set. Example of this is CAPEC, the one commonly used by WAEC students. So you could get something like this when you're writing the examination, or you could get one yourself. It's also known as a mathematical set. So an instrument box is also a mathematical set. Then you need to get your set squares. So this is an example of a set square. This is specifically a 30-degree, 60-degree set square. You have the 45-degree set squares, so you should get the set square. And then we have your protractors. Your protractor is basically a semicircular device. It's a semicircular instrument that helps you to draw, that helps you to measure angles, to measure and draw angles. So this is a protractor. So it's a semicircular device. Then you have, apart from that, you also have your set of scales. And what is a scale used for? A scale is basically an instrument that is used for taking proportions of lengths. For example, if you see a building, now you can't draw the whole building in a paper. So you have to take a scale of the building and then transfer the scaled drawing, either reduced or full size or enlarged. But it is less likely to be full size, because mostly whenever you are drawing real life on paper, you often reduce it. Then next we have apart from scales, you have your French curves. These are an example of a French curve. A French curve helps you to draw curves when you are drawing curved lines. Then you also have your drawing board. I've said that you have your drawing paper, you have your pencils, and then you have your templates. This is an example of a template. So templates are pre-shaped patterns that help you to draw shapes. For example, if I wanted to draw a barrette, I would use this, and so on and so forth. So thank you for watching.